What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a part to full-time income just from downloading a single app on your phone. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah guys, the app I wanted to show you guys is called Tackle, and the purpose of this app is essentially where you actually get paid to do simple tasks around your city, around your town, and you pretty much are allowed to set your own schedule doing so. And so you can see, if we scroll a little bit through here, you can see you can get paid to do lawn and yard work, you can get paid to do house cleaning, you can do a custom bundle job, junk removal, and this is all through a single app, okay? And so you can see, just how fast you can get started doing this. Once you download this app, once you fill out a registration, and I'm going to show you that in a second, there's literally help needed in hours. So that just means there's a wide variety of opportunities around you that people need help with from this app. And so you guys may be wondering, how do I get started doing this? So you can actually download this app on the App Store, or you can also get it for your Android, and it's pretty much all around the United States. And literally guys, they offer stuff like maid services, assembly, lawn care. And so the power of using this app is literally like if you wanted to start your own lawn care business, if you wanted to start your own housekeeping business, then this can literally put your foot in the door to actually get repeat customers, to actually build your clientele. And this is a perfect opportunity to do that just from your app. So if you're wondering how you get started, you can literally just go here to providers and get started. And so what you'll do is actually sign up right here, and you can sign up with Facebook or Google, and it's really that simple to get started. And the best thing about this app is once you get done with your task, you literally don't have to wait to get paid. So I'm actually on the Tackle support page right here, and how you get paid is you can either get paid by Stripe, you can get paid through your bank account. And so it says that you can deposit them in your bank account 3 business days later. The very first transfer Stripe makes your bank account and can take up to 7 days to post. So it's essentially a weekly based job where you get paid right after you do the service, and you don't have to worry about not getting paid, because this app is based on literally just completing a task and getting paid doing so. And the best thing I like about this app is that this app can literally kickstart you for building your own profitable business, right? Because all these people are already customers that you can actually take on and build relationships with and potentially build your own business as well. So this is how it works. All you'd have to do is select a chore and time, and then you choose a provider here, and that's to see who's available that you can work with. So once your provider arrives, you can add any additional chores at an agreed upon price. And this is all through the app, guys. It's not something that you have to, negotiate or get frustrated about. It's all done through this app. And then it says every chore includes Tackle guarantee. If you aren't satisfied, then they can also get refunded. So it's pretty much a win-win situation here. And these are a wide variety of the different chores they offer. So you can see you can clean somebody's house, mow somebody's lawn, all simple stuff that you already do around your house already, but just to do this for them. So, you can see guys, these are all ways that you can actually build your own business just by using this app. So, and that's what I wanted to show you guys here today from this one single app that you can download to pretty much make a part to full-time income on your own schedule and become your own boss. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah guys, take care.